Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, I'm back. So today we're going to talk about the need to have a goal. You might wonder, yeah, right. Hello, it's 2020. There is no such a thing as having a goal. Well, you're not wrong. But still, I believe setting a goal is important to create a kind of focal point where your energy can be directly to create a great output in the future. In other words, setting a goal will help you to keep focused and moving, and that's the important part. And it will also give you a sense of enterprise.
What is a man but that lofty spirit, that sense of enterprise, that devotion to something that cannot be sensed, cannot be realized, but only dreamed, the highest reality. Brilliant! Bravo, Captain!
So, especially with the social media and the internet, you have to maximize your time in a way that you achieve something or be focused every time you go online. Otherwise, you just browse for long, long hours and like Pink Floyd wisely wrote, then one day you find 10 years have got behind you and you miss the starting gun. Or even worse, you end up your life just stuck in a mental loop that might include questions like, wait a minute, hold on, if I just got out of the shower clean, then how come my towel gets dirty? So, again, to avoid that, you have to minimize waste efforts and time. And most important, to keep you or your brand focused. For instance, ask yourself, where do you want to arrive on using social media or marketing yourself online? I mean, are you looking for fame, followers, or for making money, or both? Whatever it is, you have to be crystal clear on where do you want to arrive. The goal or goals must follow the S.M.A.R.T methodology, which is basically an abbreviation to remind you how to set a goal that maps out exactly what you need to do. So S.M.A.R.T stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. S.M.A.R.T. So let's talk about each one of them. Have in mind your social media goals. Number one is specific. Basically means to be clear. If you write get more followers as a goal, mean you want 100 new followers or 1,000, 1 million. What is this? So making your social media goals specific helps you track progress and measure success. Talking about measure, the second one is measurable. Every goal needs some kind of metric. Improving engagement, for example, is a great concept, but it's not a goal unless you have a way to measure that improvement. So increase on comments can be one of way to measure that. Attainable. Well, your social media goals should be within reach if you put the required work, of course. Okay, you spend 30 minutes per day on social media. Cool, but do not expect a 1 million new comments or 1 million followers in 1 week, right? So the next point is relevant. This is the piece that ties up together with your personal goal or your online objectives. Make sure you understand how that will benefit you or your business, right? The last one is timely. Deadlines keeps everyone moving. Adding a time frame for finishing your goal and adding milestones along the way is a good idea, so you can easily know how you are progressing on your success, right? So as a final recap, you need to set a goal when you get into the online journey. Example of goals can vary a lot, and it's totally personal. So I'm not going to talk about here which goal you should put it, right? But I'm going to give some example. For example, you want to increase your personal brand or business online. In other words, you want to get more noticed online. You might have a goal like increase, let's say, Twitter follows by 10% every month, or achieve a minimum of 5 shares for each post I made online. So whatever it is, on these two examples, you might want to track things like the number of new followers you are getting, retweets, shares, likes, hearts, comments, mentions, etc. So I hope you get the idea how important it is to have a goal and set your goals for social media. And again, goal or goals are just the first step. Goal alone without implementation is nothing. It's not going to bring you anywhere. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen, and those that identify as Apache attack helicopters. If you need more details on how to define your social media goals, check it out, the Now You Know guidebook, actually pages 12 and 13 actually. We'll give you a better idea and examples over there. So that being said,
ladies and gentlemen, we're desperately short on time. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Good night, everybody. Have a lovely weekend.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.